The PEGACPSA88V1 exam is designed to test your knowledge and skills as a Pega system architect. The exam covers a wide range of topics, including application design, debugging, and performance tuning. Successful completion of this exam will demonstrate your ability to design and develop Pega applications. 1. Which two statements about the Constellation design system are true? Choose two. Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A Constellation design system components are not available in the traditional UL architecture. B. Constellation design system is a section-based architecture. C. Constellation design system improves context switching or multitasking. D. Constellation design system uses a modular design. 2. A company often receives multiple IT tickets for the same issue, such as the office Wi-Fi is down. You configure a search duplicate cases step to identify duplicate IT tickets. What is the basic condition for the search duplicate cases step? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Issue type as same. B. Name of submitter as same. C. Department as same. D. Office location as same. 3. On a service level, the past deadline interval is measured from available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. The end of the goal interval. B. The end of the deadline interval. C. When a user begins the assignment. D. When the assignment is ready for a user. 4. Sales managers must be able to approve sales quote proposals by email and from their mobile devices. How do you implement this requirement? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Add and approve, reject step and enable email notifications on the case type. B. Add and approve, reject step and enable approval from email and mobile. C. Add and approve, reject step and a send email step. D. Add and approve, reject step with mobile approval enabled and add a send email step. 5. A survey is sent to a customer via email. How do you configure a solution to ensure the email includes the case ID for the survey? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Create a required field for the case ID that must be entered by a user during the case process prior to sending the email. B. Use the insert property feature of a send email step to add the case ID when composing the custom message. C. Create a process using the send email step allowing representatives to quickly add the case ID to the email. D. Call a data transform to copy the case ID from PyWork page to the email. 6. A new case type for voiceover requests includes two tasks: edit script and record script. Your team has been asked to route edit script tasks to editors and record script tasks to actors. Which approach fulfills this requirement? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Create one workgroup for both personas and route to the workgroup. B. Create one new work queue and spurt the tasks by type. C. Create two new work queues, one for editors and one for actors. D. Create two new workgroups in Dev Studio that reference one work queue. 7. A travel authorization requires approvals from the requester's manager, division VP, and possibly an accountant based on the total amount. Which configuration satisfies this use case? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Cascading approval using an authority matrix. B. Cascading approval using the workgroup manager. C. Cascading approval using when rules to identify the assigned user. D. Cascading approval using the reporting manager. 8. A meal delivery service recommends a meal plan based on the number of people in the household and dietary restrictions. Which two configurations must be used together to determine the recommended meal plan? Choose 2. Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Configure an assignment to gather customer information. B. Configure a decision table. C. Configure a decision tree. D. Configure a decision shape to add a conditional path. 9. A purchase request case type. You have the following requirement: purchase requests should automatically go to the manager of an employee. To meet this requirement, you design a case with A. Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A change stage step to allow the employee to route to the manager. B step that routes to the manager. C stage to route requests to the manager. D process that routes to the manager. 10. In which two situations is it appropriate to use a decision table? Choose 2. Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A dance studio recommends a membership type based on the number and type of dance classes the customer wants to attend every month. B. Order total is calculated based on the quantity and price of the items in the customer's shopping cart. C. A hair care company suggests a line of products to customers based on their hair type, scalp moisture, hair moisture, and whether it is color-treated. D. If customers decide to add insurance, checked bags or early boarding to their airtime tickets, extra fees are added to their order total.